What's happening, everybody? Look at this. Some Bonchon Korean fried chicken. Saw this on Daym Drops channel, so I'm about to try it out. I already tell you the fries ain't as good as he said they was. I don't know if I got the right ones though, but they season pretty good. This garlic chicken leg, oh my goodness, man. Hey, that garlic chicken leg is bomb. It's bomb. That's good stuff. Fries are seasoned good. I asked the dude how long they've been there. He said they've been there for about 5 years. Yeah, I know I like them big cups of juice, boy. That lemonade, boy. Or Simply Made lemonade is bomb. Hey, fries ain't bad though. They ain't bad at all. Hey, but this soy garlic chicken, oh my goodness. That's soy garlic chicken. That's soy garlic chicken. So I took a bite off of this spicy one. Hey, it's bomb too. The fries, they season perfect, but they just okay. I thought they was gonna be a lot better. But this chicken though, boy, this chicken go crazy. I can't say enough. Hey, Daym Drops, I don't know you, but thank you for turning me on to this. I watched the channel. I was like, man, well, I've seen you went back twice. I mean, back with your daughter. I said, oh yeah, it gotta be good. Thank you again, and Happy New Year to you and your family. And to all my watchers and my subscribers. Man, I thank y'all, man, because it don't cost you nothing to push the button, man. But like some cats I was on with, man, you notice a lot of people watch your videos or whatever, but they ain't watching your videos. They want to watch you fail. But you know me, I ain't no quitter, so I'm all in with this YouTube stuff. I enjoy it. Hey, that car meet I went to yesterday, them old schools was clean. But the chick in that pink Buick, bumping that love come down, oh, she was knocking that. She was knocking that. I have to call Miss Marsha up in Berkeley and ask her why she ain't turned me on to this. She live right around the corner from this joint. This one was a soy garlic. That one, spicy. It's spicy too. Bonchon. Bonchon. I'm sure they got one near you somewhere. They're all over the country. I'm just the latest one on this. Good stuff, y'all. Let me see what I got here. Look, I went over there. Took me another piece out the box. This is spicy. Oh my goodness, y'all. Ooh, it's good stuff. Man. Pretty good. With that being said, I'm out, folks.